Hey guys, welcome back. Happy Chinese New Year. We're gonna make a classic, which are just soup wontons. Takes like 10 minutes. Don't have to steam them. We're gonna boil them in a broth that we make ourselves, and it's gonna be really, really yummy. So this is very similar to how to make dumplings. So if you haven't watched that video on the mix, go ahead and look that one up. This one is pretty similar. So it's pork, scallions, and I added some watercress in there just for some extra vegetables, and you can add ginger, again, optional. I just ran out of ginger. The skins for wontons are similar. They're just square. You can also use the round dumpling ones, doesn't really matter, but the folding is going to be even easier than dumplings. So let's just get started. So I have my skins, the filling, and my little water bowl. So just scoop a little bit into the middle, just like dumplings, not too much. And then you're gonna wet the edges of each skin. And it's gonna help it stick together, but you do not want it too wet, otherwise the skin will collapse. So make a triangle, like a kerchief shape, upside down, put a dent in the top, and we're just gonna connect those 2 points, and that's it. It's so cute. Now we're just gonna speed it up and then pump out like 15 really quickly. So now we're gonna make the soup that these wontons are going in. All it is salt, soy sauce, sesame oil, and white pepper, and that's it. We're putting all of those into boiling water. Just plop all the wontons in, and it'll only take about 5 minutes. You notice that they're sinking now, and then when they're done, they will all float to the top just like that, and they're done. Yay, that's it. Just such a classic, easy Chinese dish. It's really easy to just make them in bulk, and we've had them like 3 times already this week, and now I'm sweating because the soup is really, really hot, and I put extra white pepper on it, and it really spices it up. And clearly I also burned myself before this. So that's it. See you next time. Happy Chinese New Year, and like and subscribe.